In this video, I'm going to show you how to blur a certain part of a video in CapCut. Let's get started. First, open CapCut and create a new project. Import the video you want to edit and add it to the timeline. Now, to blur a specific part of your video, let's create an overlay. Duplicate the video layer by right-clicking on the base video layer and selecting Copy, and then paste it above the first video layer. With the overlay selected, go to Effects, search for Blur Effect, and drag it to the overlay video. Once you add the blur effect, a special effects toolbar will appear where you can adjust the intensity of the blur by moving the slider. Next, resize and position the blurred overlay on the previous screen to cover the part of the video you want to blur. You can do this by going to Mask and selecting the shape you want. After selecting the shape, start dragging the corners of the overlay to adjust its size and position. You can also use Rotate to blur the mask to fit the orientation of the part you want to cover. If you need to blur multiple parts or different sections at different time, you can split the overlay and adjust each segment individually. To do this, let's delete the blur effect first. To split the overlay clip, select the part of the video where you want to apply the blur effect and split it from start to end on the timeline. Then, reapply the blur effect to the certain parts that you want. Just repeat this process. Once you're done, play back your video to ensure the blur effect is applied correctly. Once you're satisfied with the blur effect, click Export. And that's it. You've successfully blurred a certain part of your video in CapCut. Thanks for watching and happy editing. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Thanks!